Have you ever visited a website and wondered what powers it behind the scenes? Like, what analytics tools, plugins, or apps it secretly uses to run everything smoothly? Well, here's the good news. You can actually see through the curtain and find every hidden app or service used by any website. Let's uncover how to do it, step by step. First, head to builtwith.com. Type in any website, let's say Nike.com or Amazon.com. Within seconds, BuiltWith scans the entire domain and reveals everything running behind it. You'll see what CMS the site uses, like WordPress, Shopify, or Squarespace, plus analytics tools like Google Analytics, Facebook Pixel, and even email marketing apps. It's like opening the hood of a car and seeing every part that makes it run. Next up is Wappalyzer, a browser extension available for Chrome, Firefox, and Edge. Once installed, just visit any website, click the extension icon, and boom, instant results. It detects hidden scripts, frameworks, and even A/B testing tools that most people never notice. For developers, marketers, or tech enthusiasts, this is pure gold. You can use it to spy on competitors' tools, get inspiration for your own site, or just satisfy your curiosity. If you prefer doing things the manual way, here's a trick. Right-click any web page and choose View Page Source. Now press Ctrl+F or Command+F on Mac and search for keywords like Analytics, Tag, Facebook, or App. You might find hidden tracking codes, app integrations, or even secret beta scripts. It's a bit technical, but surprisingly powerful once you know what to look for. Want to go deeper? Combine all three methods. Use BuiltWith for a big picture view, Wappalyzer for real-time analysis, and manual inspection for fine details. Together, they give you a complete map of any website's hidden ecosystem. So next time you stumble upon a cool website, don't just admire the design, uncover its secrets. Thanks for watching. If this video was useful for you, make sure to subscribe so you never miss our upcoming content.